Hey guys, welcome to RentSyst channel, the fleet management solutions for car rental business. This is a special episode, and in this video guide we will speak about new recent update for Agreement to O Builder, and it means that right now you will be able to fully customize all your documents inside RentSyst with more flexible and much more options, which is powerful and give you much more flexible options to customization of your document. So without no delays, let's go straight to it. So basically, we will discover together how to activate the new builder. What does it mean about the new and old versions for the documents? And also we will check it full engine overview about interface, buttons, and many more. So how to activate. Let's go inside settings menu here. This is where you can see on settings, of course, you need to have it activated agreement here. And below you can see there will be activated feature, a new module called Template Editor 2.0. With the release, there will be no beta because it's fully works and fully functional. So you need to activate it here. Next, you can go for Component Managers. And right there, you will see some additional buttons for other type of documents. So what does it mean in case you will switch it to the new version? So when you're working with the old version, it means let's deactivate it. So whenever it's deactivated, it means that right now you're using the current version of the agreement builder. You will have your current version of documents saved on your reservation. And whenever you switch it to the new version, it means that no worry, the old documents, the old agreements of your reservation will be still there. It means that just whenever you switch on, from this point, from this time, they will be automatically saving all the documents with the new templates of your agreement. So the first, what I recommended is if you're already the new user, if you're a new user, of course, you will need to create your own agreement template. If you already work with RentSyst, then the first recommendation will be switch it, going to the agreement builder and to customize your agreement first, because basically it will be available the standard template version of agreement, which is of course you can customize. You will see how it looks like right now, and customize it up to your needs, and there save it, and they will be like available for the new reservations for you. So let's consider and check it together with you about the interface. So right now we're proud to announce about new engine for agreement customization. This is how it looks like. You can see from the left side the layers menu. So basically this is your agreement structure, which is based on a lot of elements. I want to assure you that perhaps from the first beginning scratching, like from the first view, it may take that it's a little bit complicated, but I can assure you it's not, because basically we do our best with our team. You know that we always try to do our best to make it user experience and make it like as simple as possible to use the system for you guys. So it should be like easy and comfortable to use. So it is comfortable, it is easy. So let me show you how does it work. So basically layers, this is the elements from which consists your agreement, and it's easy to go here for any element you see. So the engine consists from layers. The first part, you can also click at this bottom here to hide it if it doesn't need it for you. The next menu upside, so this is the menu. It's called navigation pop-up, and this is where you can see this bottom. So show hide outlines. As you know, the agreement has a lot of shortcodes which you can automatically add the information of your company, of the reservation, a lot of things about the vehicles, and so on. So they are already here. To highlight them, you just simply click this button, and this will be highlighted for you inside the system. All the shortcodes there are embedding right now. Pay attention that a shortcode will be automatically put your own data. Some of them are put your own personal data, like logo type. Logo is also the shortcode, the name of the company, and so on. Some of the samples will be embed like Porsche 911, so they will be like always Porsche 911, but it will be replaced for your exactly vehicle. This is just a sample to show you how it will be displayed on your site in your agreement, right? So basically, if you see there Porsche 911, it's not mean that your agreement will also have Porsche 911 when you print it, when you generate it. It's just a sample to show you preview, like a full field data of your reservation. Moving next. So the next step, it's called toggle preview. Whenever you click it, so basically I recommend to use this button when you already have your document structure. Perhaps you already completed your template. So just to hide left, right side menu bar, you can like activate it to see the main document structure ahead. So we also have Undo and Redo bottoms. Let me show you how does it work. So basically I will type here some numbers, and now you can see yeah, so I can like going back or step ahead. So basically it's like your operations, like typically in Google Docs or Word, Excel bottoms, which you can like jump in from the actions from the previous action to the next action. The bottom's called undo. It means like cancel your action or going redo in a front of your operation. And also here you can see these two bottoms. I recommend to use them very, very carefully. So how does it work and what does it mean? The RentSyst engine has already pre-identified template. In case you can see the document has a lot of fields. Let's say you delete something. Let's say we will delete this structure. This structure, we don't need damages, right? But in some point, whenever you make some customization, you understand that you need it back. Okay, so instead of like you need it back to have the full constructor of the basic template. So it means that anytime you can revert back for the main version, click it restore, confirm, and it means that system will automatically restore to the main preselected template. So you can see there's already the damage information and so on. So restore mean it's like starting from the scratch, right? But with preselected default template. And also this bottom, you can see clear document. Also use it carefully. Of course, if you will click it by mistake, you can always go in undo like this one. But whenever you click it, it means that you would like to beginning from the clear page, right? Even if you save, you can revert it back like this one, and it will be reverted back. So basically, clear document means that you can make it from the beginning, from the scratch. And let's going for the right side menu. The more structure and a lot of things are updated here. So basically, let's see what we have here. So this is the main module of the shortcodes. You can see we have advanced settings mode. It will be available on this menu. We will going back to this later. So right now I want to present you a full rebuilding of the structure for shortcodes or the clips, right? So units which you can also highlight like this one, I remind for you. And how does it work? So basically, all shortcodes right now are grouping by specific categories. It means if you're looking for company information shortcodes, you can see they will be available here. You can see the name of shortcode. Also, some of the clue will be providing for you above. Let's say metric distance, time zone, moment. So you can see there will be like a little bit explanation how does it works. The currency or currency symbol. Or for instance, you looking something for the vehicle, so you can see vehicle information, click on it. You can see brand mark and so on. So today we will play around a bit with these shortcodes as well. And if you're looking for some specific, because we have a lot of shortcodes, of course you don't need it to manually search them. Let's say you can see here the bottom, which is open up all the menus. So click on it to see visually the menu will be open it for you. Or you can hide it automatically like this one. You can see all blocks or are automatically hidden. We have a search bar here. So let's say you're looking for signature. We have two clips for signature, and you can see one of them are here, client signature, and one of them are here, company signature. So client and company, this is two signature fields. Ready-made blocks will be always there because it's like pre-selected, but basically you can see it's like searching by this one. Or for instance, you're looking for brand. Brand, you can see it's like activated here. Very easy to find. Also, I want to present for you the new feature for shortcodes. This is the pre-selected parts of the document. Okay, so let's trying to remove the document and building from the scratch some of the part with ready-made blocks. So the ready-made blocks, it's something that will help you definitely to speed up the process of building of the new document from the scratch. Let me show you how fast it is. So you can see some of them are pre-selected, some of them will be updated and add more and more new features here. So we needed to use company information. Whenever you're using the shortcodes, you can see the menu is activated. So this is the green line. This is the field wherever you will be dropped this element. So remove it. And now you can see we fully have the information structure about your company information. Whenever you already have 6, 7 shortcodes together with logo and the pre-selected logo. A lot of things, a lot of you guys are asking about possibility to make customization with logo. So in this builder, it's very easy to do. If you would like to change your size, move it like this one, or let me show you some cool feature in company information. You can also use logo here. Whenever you click on it, on the left side menu, it's component settings. You can enable here. Whenever you click on logo, you will see the shape. So default, it's like default which you has, or rounded, it can be automatically cut the edges and make it rounded if needed. So basically pay attention if you would like to make some customization in this one, this will be able with this option. Okay, so let's move out about this option for the ready-made blocks, right? So we will use some of them. So right now we're using component information. Whenever you use it, you can see the element from which consists your table, right? So this is like this one. The next, we would like to add some heading. So we need to make basic one. So the basic one, it's the like fields like one column. You can see 2 columns. So pre-selected one and second one. The text. You can also work with the map. So with the map also, when you're clicking on it, how to work with the map. You click on it. Next, you can go for element of the settings here. Larnaca. So system will automatically identify your position on the map. Zooming will be 14. And you can also pre-select your map like very easy. Yeah, like this one. Let's say we will move it like this one and make it like this. Or for instance, 15. No, 15. Yeah, 15. So if you would like to make like specific map on the agreement or your other type of documents, you can able to do that. Okay, so the basic one, we need to use the heading, this one. So heading means this is your name of document, and we need to make it in the middle like this one. So the heading, basically with the heading, you can also use like you add your shortcode from the left bar. You can work with the, let's say you would like to changes your heading for H2, H2, H3, H1, and so on, like this one. Or if you would like to, the large one, make it manually by this one. So yeah, about this menu, we'll get back to this later. So 25 will be okay for us. Okay, when you're working with the text, you can also see internal margins, which is working with this one, internal, external. So I will show you this element a bit later when we will work with the table. So agreement, the next will be text. So we need to type it like number and make it from the new line. So the number, document data, agreement number, and agreement date below, like this one. And we also would like to make it in the middle, like this one, and make it bold. Here we need to get a space. So usually agreement has the number ID, of course, and the date. Or yeah, okay, agreement number, we got this. Basically, you can also work here with your margins like this one to make it less space between them. So the next step will be ready-made blocks. We need to add some vehicle information, which we need to make a rental for, right? So we get it, vehicle data. So I will just fast show you all the ready-made blocks. So the vehicle, the customer, okay, there will be damage details information. Also, yeah, the customer documents, driver details. So it is just very fast how you can do this. Order calculation, all calculation, payment details, vehicle information, damage map, like this one. So pay attention that we have like very similar, but at the same time, a lot of customizable blocks. Some of them are the same, like vehicle. You can see the information about the vehicle plus damage map inside the part of the table, or you can have it like separately, like vehicle information here, and separately damage map like here. So pay attention that we make it variety of these options for your convenience. So damage photos as well, if you would like to add and see on the agreement, there will be ability to resize it and have inside your agreement, of course. Driver information, signatures for both sides, from left, right side, from the customer and for the company. Company information, like this one, we already use it, deleted. Order summary, and additional drivers, like this one, additional drivers. Yeah. Okay, so this is how works ready-made blocks. So the idea is to save your time, guys, and have like already pre-selected fields for your convenience to make it faster. Moving next, so personal blocks. The idea is that every customer will be able to customize for himself the blocks and use it for your own usage. The basic ones, so basically this is also most common shortcodes that you will be using for. This is everything is very simple, like columns, text, link, the map. I would like to, yeah, heading and table also very easy to understand, right? I would like to pay attention for these two options, the shortcode conditional block and page break. So let's speak about conditional blocks. So conditional blocks, this is something that have configuration. Whenever you use it, you can see conditional content, need to add it inside this part of container. And we will use this part of the drivers, use it and drag and drop to this option. So right now, whenever you click on it, conditional block, you will see that this is consists from additional drivers. Conditional block, it's a pre-selected feature that allow you here to go inside component settings. We need to use additional drivers and conditional if exist. So this will be the most common pre-selected way of using of this shortcode, and conditional block if exist value will be empty. So it means that some of the documents information no needed to display all the time inside your order, right? Inside your contract. It means if you have the one driver inside reservation, and you're using conditional block if exist driver additionally, it means that this part will be hidden because your reservation has only one driver, sorry. But in the scenario, in case you have 2 or 3 drivers, with this feature, let's save it. With this feature, whenever you have additional driver with conditional block, it means that it will appear automatically because you have additional drivers. Such a scenario you may also using for other parameters. Let's say to show damages if they exist. If there is no damages, there will be like not showing this table at all for the agreement. Okay. Also page break. So the shortcode page break means that it's the feature for your printing operation. Let's say we would like to print a document, and you can see how many tables it is, but you would like to make a space for the printing. It means that it's the feature which is selected for, like this one, before order calculation. So this is the page break, which allowing for the printing, make a breaks between your printing version. It means that there will be page number 1, page number 2 for printing. Same here. So this is like your page breaks between printed version. Again, on the digital agreement version, there will be no displayed such a lines, but whenever you're printing, there will be like the break between the pages for the printing version. So there will be like page number 1, page number 2, page number 3. So this is like the scenario how you would like to print your document with the separate pages on it. Okay, this is about basic shortcodes. The document data, also I want to stop here for a moment. So basically the document data, pay attention that there is existing some of the shortcodes that can be using only for existing document side. Let's say we are working right now with the agreement. It means that for the agreement there will be available shortcodes only for agreement. So in case you're working with invoice, there will be the same clips, the same meaning, but there will be a little bit another way. I mean that there will be invoice number, invoice data. So if you're using agreement, there will be impossible to use invoice number inside agreement document, because this is the different type of documentation. Okay, other information. So it's also clear. Mostly it's about pickup and delivery options. Other information, tariff unit. It means that like days, weeks, months operation. Due balance and links for payment and driver's cabinet link. Contact information consists from information of driver contact details like country, first, last name, birthday date, tax identification number, and so on. And here I would like to also show you some feature which called a section for shortcodes, or the parent shortcode. So basically whenever you see such a big horizontal bottom, it means that some of that part of the documentation should be consist only inside this part of the section. What I mean, let me add some text here and add for you some of the part of documentation. So we have here documents. They are not so many. It's about documents, weekly damages here, like this one you can see. So how does it works? Very easy to identify and understand that all the below shortcodes between this section should be inside this parent component. So whenever you're trying to use this part, you can see it's impossible to drag and drop. That's because for this component, it should be exist first the parent section. So let's add this one. You can see it's highlighting the blue color for you. Drop the component for documents block here. So basically it's have a clue for you what do you need to do with this option. And whenever you use it, yeah, right now when you get it, you will be able to use such sections inside your parent component. Same for the damages. In case you have it like if you're trying to paste something, you can see you have no success here because you need to get the parent component first, and next on it have directly those elements. Very easy to understand. So basically same for the damage photos. Damage photo, and add your damage photo here. So as you can see, you can also use a resizing for your agreement photos for damages and so on. So it also consists for extras. Extras, I want to remind you, this is all about additional services and equipment. Insurance are separately goes, payments, and company information. So this is all the shortcodes. With a matter of time, they can be extended. I mean, we can edit some external clips which is missing for you guys, but we're trying to cover all the features which we already have and also add a lot of more shortcodes. So again, if it's missing somewhere, we also ready to add some of the new shortcodes for your convenience. This is all about the part of the shortcodes. Let's move on for the last section. It's called component settings here. So remember, it's very easy to identify that basically it's working with a very similar mechanics as our booking engine is. So as you remember, we also have an booking engine capabilities. Whenever you click on some of the element inside, it's trigger some of the component settings from the right side menu. Same here. So whenever you're going for table or for logo, it will be activate for you some of the extended features for exactly chosen component. Okay, so it means that if you work in the logo, you can see the shape. Of course, if you're going for the text, there will be no option for the shapes because it's like the text. So what we have here, right now we have here two options. The main one, it's the typography. So typography, it means that you can like work with customization and format about your text. You can also click it, like move with your mouse to go with these clues. You can see it's like interactive tooltips, which is show you how does it works. Color, alignment, width, height. So you can see it's like interactively show you what does it mean. So typography, it's about fonts and sizes. You can make it also thin, normal, medium size. Let's say you would like to make it like in a bold or something. Yeah, ultra bold, medium, and so on. The color. Yeah. And the text line. So basically all elements can be like this one. The next step is about dimension. So usually this part of the features works for the tables, but also some of the parts. So basically, if we're talking about the text, right? So we have the margin. The margin, it means that, no, it works for the table, sorry. So the tables, let's go in for the table. So click on it. Let's say this table. Okay, yeah. So this is how does it look. We just saw that like basically whenever I'm using this option, so in the middle we have the bottom, which is linked all four sizes, the top side, bottom side, left and right side. Whenever you deactivate it, you're able to customize only left side, for instance, or right side. Or if you would like to link it, you edit one and it's like edit for you automatically all the sizes. So the margins, it's outside lines. It means that whenever you see the element, the table, it will be margin for outside this element. The padding, it's the same, but inside. Let's make it inside right now. So you can see you have like margin outside spaces. The padding, it's inside the spaces. So usually it's done for, let's make it 0. Usually it's done for make it like, the text a bit, and make a space between the left and right side. Or let's say if we want to make it like, let's say like this one. So yeah. Okay, let's make it 0, but link it only the left side, like this one. So basically it means that for the text and for the tables, you can work with the external margins and internal paddings. And also we do have here advanced mode settings activated. And we have a decoration, the last option, which is able for you, give ability for you highlight the branding. So let's make it in the middle. So what do I mean? For instance, we do have here free tables. So I just all highlight them with a shift, and you can see background color. Let's say I would like to make it, I don't know, in a yellow, like this one, right? So let's say you have the yellow brand book, the yellow branding of your company, and you would like to make it with specifically color of yours, right? So you can like make it with the yellow. Or for instance, we have background color like this one pre-selected, so you can also use it here. Same about border radius. So you can see an example here. Whenever you click on it, you can see the border radius is already pre-selected with 12 pixels. Same here, the table. If you would like to make it rounded, you can see they will be rounded. And also section for the last one, the border. So the border means that by default it's always 0 or so. For the tables there will be 1. For instance, if you would like to make it if you would like to make the line disappear, there will be the 0 pixel. But if you would like to have it like this one, you can, right now we have the borders for this upper line, you can make it. Or if you would like to make the borders with another color, so let's say you need to make it 1 and make it like with a gray color like this one, right? So you can see the color is changed to the gray now. Okay, so same here, you can also pre-select any columns, any size, any color for your tables. So usually the decorations, all of this part, are using for the working with the tables. Yeah, something like this. Copy, and let's say, yeah, same here. So basically, if you have your own color and you would like to customize the agreement with your colors, you can use that. Also, I would like to explain some of the features about working with the tables here. If you're working with the table, again, you can easily identify all of the elements right here on the left side menu. But whenever you're working with the table or each element, even with the text, let's say with the text, you can see such elements here. So this arrow upside, go to parent, means that you can use the full component to see from which is consisting. So whenever I am clicking go to parent, you can see it's heading its parent company, his company information. So when I click it, sorry. Okay, so yeah, it's going for the main component. The good sample will be here. So whenever I click it on this part of the cell, I'm going for the full table here, like this one, right? So you can see I'm jumping from the one element to another one. Also, same here, save block. So whenever you save it, this is something that I mentioned before. This is the feature which allows you to save your pre-selected block and use it at the ready-made block for the future reservation, for the future document, sorry. The good feature here that if you customize one type of template, let's say customize agreement, and you build your own pre-selected header here with the company information, with logo size, and you would like to use it exactly the same for invoice, for offer, for damage report, you can save it as a new block here. Let's say company header. Save it, and next, whenever you're going for the invoice editing, there will be also this block already saved, and you can use it as a ready-made block. Okay, so back to the tables here. So I would like to explain about such of the feature. So you can go for parent component. You can fully remove, let's say we have here 3 rows, 3 cells, but you would like to delete the row. Remove it, remove it. Or you can see columns operations. When you click it, you can add one more column left or one more column right side, merge cells together. Let's say we needed to make, I will delete this one and this one. Yeah, and I would like to merge the cells like this one, merge cells. Yeah, so you can see I merged the cells together with the one unit. You can also work with your mouse to have preselections here, like this one. Same, you can also work with row operations here. Insert above, insert below, merge cells right, or delete the row. And pay attention when you work with the tables, decoration here. When you click it for the option, you can see automatical high, height, and you can also use it your pre-selected. For instance, you would like to make it 250, and this will be 250 as well, but they will be like automatically need to be find it. Yeah, so this is work about the tables. Well, basically I trying to cover all the options inside the agreement. So you can see in this short episode I explain all the options for the agreement engine. We're creating such a structure. You can see here signature. Also you can use this operation with the arrows, like paste it and paste it here. So like drag and drop, you can also move your element between your stages here. And also you can copy the element. It means that if you would like, let's say, have it the same page structure, copy, get it with the move at the end. Let's remove the damages. So basically they will be like this one. Right, so basically from here you can also work with the formatting like this one, just bold and italic. Mostly if you would like to work with the full formatting, we recommend to go with typography here. Yeah, so I guess this is it. Let's restore it to the main version for agreement. Okay, save it. And let me show you basically, one second, how the agreement will works at the final. So we've saved the standard version. Let's go in for the reservation. Add reservation. Okay, confirm. And let's go inside to generate the agreement. So pay attention that the same structure we have saved. So whenever you have reservation, it's automatically generate for you pre-agreement, which is the draft of agreement. So basically, if you have it needed to the real agreement, you need to generate it. And let's open to check it out. So this is the ready-made agreement. As you can see, we also have some updates here about the bottom-up side. In the previous version, the bottoms for print, download, refresh, and signature was in a down section, which is not always was convenient. But here you can see whenever you're scrolling, this bottom will be always on top. The good benefit for you guys also, there will be a personalized logo here of your company only. So you can see how automatically and fast digital contract is generated. Let's sign up the contract from the customer side, refresh it, and now you can see my signature of the customer is already there. So guys, thanks for watching this video guide. I'm sure that you will have some additional questions, so please ask about it with us, with our support department. Thanks for watching this video, and see you in the next video, guys. Cheers.